I'm Kelly Taylor, Director of Operations for BETCO Scaffolds. I've been in construction for 35 years and I've been here at BETCO for the last 8. BETCO is an access solution provider. We provide access solutions for our clients based on their needs. We are an established company in the industry and we've over 75 years in the business. We are based throughout Texas. We operate up and down the Gulf Coast. We go as far north as Oklahoma. We have over 500 employees. Centrally located, our corporate offices in Houston, and we have locations in San Antonio, Austin, Beaumont, and Dallas-Fort Worth. The project we had for our case study with the LIFTBOT was a tower wrap that was over 100 feet tall. We were able to execute that project with a very smaller crew than what we had planned on using. We were able to reduce the required manpower and still get the project completed on schedule. It saved us time, money, and also kept our guys safe. The feedback from our team in the field that actually employed the LIFTBOT was very positive. Our team members said that not only did it assist them daily in getting the task completed, but it also helped them put in longer hours for an extended period of time without impacting their productivity, which was quite good for us. We at BETCO are constantly searching for innovative solutions to increase our throughput without compromising the safety of our team members. The LIFTBOT from KEWAZO appears to be just that type of solution for us, and we strive to increase our productivity without having to put our team members at risk, and it also seems that it's the type of solution that will help us do that.